Hey you guys, what is going on? Welcome back. I wanted to throw a quick send short here together today because I caught myself slacking, and with all the planning we've been doing, we're about to take off on a two-week-long trip to Colorado. So there's going to be a lot of content here on the channel very soon, and I'm super excited to bring that all to you. Everything from vlogs to trail reviews to just day in the life up in Colorado. But in the meantime, here's another quick send short, just a typical day off out here in Central California. We took the Rav4 out to one of our favorite sunset spots and got the DJI Mavic Mini out and did a little aerial cinematic. So let's get into it. Have it, you guys. Again, I wanted to get this video out because I caught myself slacking. I've been really good about getting at least one video up per week, so I wanted to continue that pattern. But like I said, we'll be out in Colorado middle to end of July. We're super excited to take the Tacoma out there, and really it'll be the longest road trip I've ever been on, but also some of the first trails outside of the state of California, Arizona, Nevada. I think we've done a few in there as well. But that said, I have been giving a lot of thought into putting some new tires, potentially adding a few things to the Rav4. So if you do enjoy these videos with the Rav4, these quick send shorts, drop a comment down below, give this video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and until next time, enjoy the ride.